How to make money online for free with Google. So if you want to make money online for free with Google, then what you need to do is first, you just need something to open up your Google Drive. So go with drive.google.com. You'll be able to earn a passive income just by selling digital files. These files can be anything from PDFs, ebooks, design templates, worksheets, or any other type of downloadable content that provides value. So the first step is to upload your digital product to your Google Drive. Go with new, which will be in the top left, and then go with the file and upload that file. After uploading, click on the file, just right click on it, or just simply go with a share option, which will be in the top right, and then go with access and select restricted and only select view only to ensure that buyers can see the content without being able to edit or copy it. Next, you'll need to copy link. Once you've copied the link, you need to go back and then open up your Facebook or your Instagram, any application that you're comfortable with. Go with create and then go with post. Select from your computer and go with next, which will be on the top. Add any filters if you want to and then again go with next. Now you'll need to promote and sell access to this file. Paste the link right here and then share. You can do this through online marketplaces like Etsy, your own website, or even social media platforms such as Instagram or Facebook. When someone makes a purchase, you simply send them the Google Drive link privately just for them. This method is easy and requires no advanced tech skills and is perfect for anyone who wants to monetize their digital content. Start today and turn your Google Drive into a profitable online business. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.